Once again, welcome to School Coaching Point. So if you are watching the video for the first time, so kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming videos, and don't forget to share the video among your friends. So before going to the exercise 6.1, so let us recall some previous concept. So first concept is what? Vertically opposite angles. You should know what do you mean by vertically opposite angles. Suppose AB and CD. So here AB and CD are the two line segments, and these two line segments intersect at the point O. That means two line segments intersecting at a particular point. And when the two line segments intersect at a particular point, we get four angles. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is the another one, 4. That means there are four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of these four angles, two angles are exactly opposite to each other. That means 1 is exactly opposite to 2, 3 is exactly opposite to 4. These opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles. That means when two line segments intersect at a point O, the opposite angles, the angles exactly opposite to each other, these are vertically opposite angles. That means we get two pair of vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So this is the concept 1. Let's move to the next concept. Suppose there are two parallel lines, AB and CD. So these are the parallel line. When this parallel line is intersect by another line, L. So these are the parallel line. This is the third line. It intersect both the parallel lines, so we can consider L as a transversal. So when a transversal intersect two parallel line, we get some angles. So this is one angle, this is the another one. So these two angles are known as interior alternate angles. And for parallel lines, interior alternate angles are equal in measure. So here also we will get the vertically opposite angles. These are the vertically opposite angles. So we have already discussed. These are the interior alternate angles. Again, this angle and that angle, this is a pair of corresponding angle. So in corresponding angle, both the angles should be lying on the same side of transversal. One angle should be lying between the parallel lines, and another angle should be lying outside the parallel line. So this is the concept of corresponding angle. Again, this angle, this is the angle, this is the another one. These two angles are angle which are lying on the same side of transversal, and both the angles are lying inside the parallel line. These two angles are lying on the same side of transversal and lying between the parallel lines. So these angles are supplementary. These are known as co-interior angle. So co-interior angles are what? Both the angles should be lying on the same side of transversal, and sum of the two angles should be 180 degree. That means if it is 1, if it is 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. So co-interior angles are supplementary. Now let's move to the exercise 6.1, question number 1. Lines AB, this is the line AB, and CD, this is the line CD, intersect at O. This is the point of intersection. AB and CD intersect at point O. If AOC plus BOE is 70 degree, it is given, and BOD is 40 degree, find BOE, we have to find out angle BOE and reflex COE. Reflex COE. BOD and COE. Now solution, BOD and AOC, angle BOD and angle AOC, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Why BOD and AOC are vertically opposite angle? Because AB and CD, both the line intersect at point O. So when two line segments intersect at point O, we get vertically opposite angle. So BOD and AOC, these are pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Since BOD is 40, so it means AOC is also 40 degree. Now AOC, this is AOC plus BOE, AOC plus BOE, these two angles, sum up to these two angles is 70 degree, it is given. So AOE is 40, AOC is 40, so 40 plus BOE is 70, implies BO equals to 70 minus 40, 30 degree. That means what is the value of BOE? BOE is 30 degree. Again AOB, this is a straight line. Straight line means AOB is a straight angle, and this straight angle we can break in triangle. What are the triangle? AOC, COE, EOB. So that means AOC, this is the angle, COE, this is the another one, and BOE, this is the third one. Sum of this triangle is 180 degree because AOB is a straight angle. So AOB you can break in three angles, AOC, COE and BOE. AOC is 40, we know AOC is 40. COE we have to find out, BOE is 30 degree, is equals to 180. So COE 40 plus 30 70 equals to 180 degree. So from here COE equals to 180 minus 70. This 70 we have to transpose to the right. So 180 minus 70 we will get 110 degree. Now we have to find out reflex COE. So what is the technique to find out reflex COE? Simply subtracting the angle from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 110 is equals to 250 degree. So to find out reflex of any angle, what should be the concept? We should simply subtract the angle from 360 degree, because if this is angle 1, so what is the reflex of 1? This is the reflex of 1. Because we know about a point, about any point, the total angle is 360. If it is 1, the remaining should be 360 degree minus 1. This is reflex 1. So this is the second question in front of you. Given line XY and MN intersect at point O, that means XY, this is the line XY, and this is MN, intersect at this point O. POY is 90 degree. So POY. So this angle is 90 degree, POY. A is to B, 2 is to 3, find C. That means we have to find out this angle. So we know that when the angles are given in ratio or in linear equation in one variable, also we have learned in class 8, when the given information are given in ratio, we assume that it is twice x or thrice x, since the ratio is 2 is to 3, A is to B is 2 is to 3. So A is equals to twice x, B equals to 3x. So we have already learned in class 8 in linear equation in one variable. So how to take the values when the values are given in ratios. So A equals to twice x, B equals to 3x. Now XOM, this angle. MOP, this is the angle. And POY, this is the third angle. That means sum of the triangle. This is first, this is second, this is third. It should be 180 degree because XYO is a straight angle. Since XOY is straight angle. And this straight angle is divided into triangle. First one is B, second one is A, and third one is POY. That's why it is 180 degree. Sum of the triangle is 180 degree because XOY is a straight angle. Now XOM is B, MOP is A, POY is 90 degree. So B plus A plus 90 equal to 180. So B we know is 3x, A is twice x, equals to 180 minus 90. That means transposing this 90 to the right, 180 minus 90 equals to 90 degree. So 3x plus 2x equals to 5x. So 5x equals to 90 implies x equals to 90 divided by 5 is equals to 18 degree. So what is the value of x? X equals to 18. Since x equals to 18, so A should be twice x. So 2 into 18, 36 degree. B equal to 3x. So B equal to 3 into 18 is 54 degree. So values of A and B is 36 and 54. So next we have to find out the value of C. So now in the given figure, angle B, MON is a straight line. You can see the image MON. This is a straight line, and this straight line is divided into two angles. One angle is B, another one is C. That means B plus C should be 180 degree because MON is a straight angle. MON is a straight angle divided into two angles B and C. So sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. So B plus C is 180 degree, is a straight angle. So B is 54. B is 54. So 54 plus C is 180 degree. From here C equals to 180 minus 54, 126 degree. So C equals to how much? 126 degree. So don't confuse with the step B plus C is 180 degree. B plus C means angle MON. MON is a straight angle. So B plus C should be 180 degree because MON is a straight angle. So 54, B is 54 plus C is 180 degree implies C equals to 126 degree. So this is question number 3. In this given figure, PQR, this is the angle PQR, and PRQ, these two angles are equal, it is given. Then prove that PQS, that means this angle PQS is equals to PRT. So we have to prove that PQS, that means this angle, is equals to angle PRT, that angle. So let's move to the solution. Angle PQS plus PQR, PQS plus PQR is equals to 180 degree. That means sum of these two angles is 180 degree because of the linear pair. We know when a straight line is cut by an underline, we get the linear pair. Concept of the linear pair and straight angle is same. This is a line is cut by the another line at this point, then we will get the linear pair we have already learned in class 7. And concept of the linear pair and straight angle both are same. So don't confuse. So in this case, PQS this angle, PQR this is the another angle. The sum of these two angles should be 180 degree because of the linear pair. So from here PQR equals to PQS shifting to the right hand side, it becomes 180 minus PQS is equals to equation 1. And one thing we should remember, why we should keep the PQR in the left hand side, because in the equation it is given PQR equal to PRQ. So PQR should be always in the left hand side. So PQR equals to 180 minus PQS, give it equation 1. Exactly same concept, PRQ, that means this angle, plus PRT, this is the another angle, and sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree because of the linear pair. So from here PRQ in the left and transposing PRT to the right hand side, so it becomes 180 minus PRT, equation 2. So PRQ we should keep in the left hand side because it is given PQR equal to PRQ. That means the given part we should keep in the left hand side. So in equation 1 PQR in the left, in equation 2 PRQ in the left. So from 1 and 2 PQR equals to PRQ, it is given PQR equals to PRQ. So it is given. So PQR equal to PRQ implies PQR means from equation 1 180 minus PQS. That means instead of PQR we can write 180 minus PQS because PQR equals to 180 minus PQS. And PRQ equals to 180 minus PRT. That means instead of PRQ we can write 180 minus PRT. So you can cancel 180 from both sides because 180 is plus, here also 180 plus, equal sign is there, so you can cancel 180 from both sides. So remaining part is minus PQS is equals to minus PRT. So minus minus plus, so implies PQS equals to PRT. So main concept is the linear pair. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Linear pair from here PQR equals to 180 minus PQS, equation 1. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Linear pair from here PRQ equals to 180 minus PRT from equation 1 and 2. PQR equals to PRQ, it is given. So instead of PQR you can write 180 minus PQS, and instead of PRQ 180 minus PRT. So after simplification PQS equals to PRT.